Hello. Welcome to Keto Fitness and Keto Pizza Ingredients channel. We will be talking about ways to burn down belly fat. Here are 10 ways to get rid of the obstacles creating your belly fat. Belly fat is a combination of excess fat tissue, toxins stored in fat bloated bowels, and lazy muscles. 1. Drink the right type of water. Belly fat is made of fat cells storing built-up toxins. In order to get rid of the fat and toxins in your cells, drink BEV bioelectronic Vincent water or filtered water that uses reverse osmosis filtration. This water attracts the heavy toxins from fat and pulls it out of the body. The fewer minerals and metals in the water, the more the water can remove the dense stuff from your belly. 2. Give your bowels a holiday from gluten. Some of the hardest foods for the bowel to break down are gluten-based foods. Remove gluten-based products such as wheat, oats, barley, and rye for a week and see how your belly flattens. Just removing wheat for a week will give visible results. 3. Cut out cheese. The cheese acts like a gummy substance in the intestines. Look at how it stretches like rubber on pizza. It's just like that in the guts. Removing cheese from the diet will stop clogging up your intestines and making your belly fat. 4. Breathing into the thymus and energetic heart area. Place your palm in between your breasts and you've found the thymus. This area is also the energetic center for the heart. Breathe into and lift this heart and thymus area, and as you breathe out, drop the shoulders. As you do this type of breathing into the energetic heart and thymus, you're lifting the lower belly muscles and activating the ab muscles that facilitate breathing, shape the waist, and pull in the girdle of muscles that pull in your belly, pooch. 5. Move your navel into the spine. Pull the navel into the spine whenever you're sitting, driving, walking, and exercising. Start to notice when you let your belly pooch just hang out and how you can activate the navel and pull it into the back of the body. This move activates all the central ab muscles that balance, support, and turn the spine and torso. Remember to keep breathing while you retrain your belly muscles to pull in to support the spine. 6. Curl your tail up and under. When you do squats, lunges, pelvic lifts, and even when you're walking, experiment with pulling your tail under so you slightly tighten the lower butt muscles. This move supports the motion of pulling the navel into the spine and gives opposition to the girdle of ab muscles for your lower belly. It's a slight move and you can add extra muscle intensity to find how to activate the pelvic floor, which is connected to and tones your lower belly muscles. 7. Scooping into the deeper A-flat muscles. Forget A-flat crunches that focus on superficial ABS. When you do any bending movement, start imagining the deepest ab muscle, the PSOAS. The PSOAS starts from the inside thigh, goes up the back of the pelvis, and follows up the spine to the back of the energetic heart area, or where the diaphragm inserts into the spine, around the bra strap for women. As you pull into your crunches or bending moves, visualize scooping into this long muscle that supports all the muscles and organs of the belly. When you use this visualization, you'll get more connection between your belly and your back muscles and you'll have something to pull your belly into. 8. Massage the belly. Build-up toxins and waste can be moved by gentle massage. Using a clockwise circle on the belly, starting under the right-hand side of the chest, massage with your fingers and palm to cover the entire belly area. Use the tips of the fingers to dig into the belly and move stagnant energy. Use the palm of the hand to hold and nurture parts of your belly that want nurturing and encouragement. Kindly tell your belly with your touch that it's time to move the fat and toxins out. 9. If you're over 35, use a DHEA supplement. DHEA is a growth hormone, which declines after the age of 35, resulting in excess fat storage around the belly. The leading scientist on DHEA, Stephen Chernisk MS, recommends 10 to 25 mg DHEA and 25 to 50 mg of 7-keto daily as a safe dosage. Excess use of the hormone will cause hormonal imbalances. 2 other important bodybuilding supplements for encouraging fat metabolism are l-carnitine or acetyl L-carnitine and alpha-lipoic acid. Recommended daily safe dosages are 200 mg to 500 mg of L-carnitine and 100 to 500 mg of lipoic acid. 10. Monitor your coffee intake. Some caffeine is better than others. Coffee really depletes the body of DHEA and other minerals that control fat gain around the belly. Try green tea drinks that are free of fake sugar. Some white teas, red tea, rooibos, and other high antioxidant teas may be better for your metabolism than coffee and will give even energy instead of the coffee highs and lows. As you age, you may notice a difference in how caffeine affects you. Be sensitive to changes in your body and try different sources of caffeine to see how different teas and energy drinks affect the stability of your energy. By Angela Ambrosia. Today's keto pizza recipe ingredients is grilled flatbread pizzas. Ingredients: flatbread, 1 cup coconut flour, 3 tablespoons ground psyllium husk powder, half a teaspoon baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 4 tablespoons olive oil or coconut oil, 2 cups water hot but not boiling. Toppings: 10 ounces fresh mozzarella cheese, 6 ounces cherry tomatoes, 2 tablespoons fresh basil, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 pinch salt, 1 pinch ground black pepper. Thank you for watching. Do comment, like, and hit the subscription bell so you be notified whenever new content is published.